Guys, I'm really confused. I've got all these tally marks on my arm, and one of them's a different color. Only one of them is brown. I don't know why, but I don't remember making any of them. And I don't remember part of the day. It's just bits aren't there. And oh. It's back. I remember now. How did I forget? No, I've said that so many times. I how in the world did I forget? Remember what he said? Keep your eyes on it. Put the mark on your arm. What just happened? Oh my god, there's another one. Where are these coming from?